5S Plus Safety is a system you can use to improve productivity and reduce waste in electronics benchtop cleaning. It comes from a lean manufacturing concept of maintaining an orderly workplace, which can help you achieve better cleaning results and higher productivity. Here are the steps you can implement to organize your benchtop and standardize procedures for measurable benefits. Sort to eliminate clutter from your benchtop. Keep only the essential cleaning tools you need, including Flux remover, wipes, and the TriggerGrip tool and brushes. Less clutter allows for quicker visual management to save time and workspace. Plus, the TriggerGrip tool helps operators control the amount of cleaning fluid used and ensures the can empties completely to eliminate waste. Set means a place for everything and everything in its place. The TriggerGrip Bench Mounting Kit keeps your work surface clear, yet tools conveniently close at hand. Eliminate excess motion and save time wasted from searching. You can reduce errors and labor costs per project. Shine by keeping your benchtop ready for work with a good cleaning. Use static dissipating cleaning wipes on mats, bins, tools, and more. Improve quality with cleaner results and control damaging static charges. Standardize to make sorting, organizing, and cleaning a daily routine until it becomes a habit. You will save time in your work process and increase productivity. Sustain to keep it going. Establish your culture of continuous improvement. Taking pride in an orderly workspace is a morale booster for everyone. Safety is the important bonus step. Choose non-flammable cleaning fluids to reduce the risk of fire, improve worker safety, and peace of mind. Implement 5S Plus Safety on your workbenches today. Optimizing your tools and workflow will lead to higher productivity, real cost savings, and help you achieve perfectly clean with MicroCare.